Welcome to Safar AI Stories, your journey to better English. These stories are designed to help you improve your English skills. Teen Talk, Improving the Office Together, is a story that follows Tom and his coworkers as they make suggestions to improve their office environment. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start our story.
My name is Tom, and I work in a small office with 5 coworkers. Our office is a friendly place, but last month we had a meeting to talk about how we can make it better. Everyone had ideas, and we made some good suggestions. Some things we can do right away, others we might do later, and some we could try if we have enough time and money. First, we talked about the break room. The chairs are old, and the coffee machine doesn't work well. Anna said,
"We could buy new chairs and a better coffee machine."
I agreed and said, "We can't relax during breaks if the chairs are uncomfortable." Our manager replied,
"We might be able to buy them next month."
Next, we discussed the noise in the office. Sometimes it's too loud to concentrate. I said, maybe we could add soft panels to reduce noise. Kevin said,
"We can also use headphones when we work."
But we can't wear headphones all day. We need to talk to each other sometimes.
Then we talked about teamwork. I suggested we can have short team meetings every Monday to share updates. Anna said,
That's a great idea. We might solve problems faster if we talk more often.
Could we also have a message board for daily tasks?
Our manager liked that suggestion too. We also made suggestions about our work schedule. Maria said,
We could start work 30 minutes earlier and leave earlier in the afternoon.
I can't come earlier because of my children, but I might leave earlier if I finish my work.
Finally, we talked about the office look. I said, we can paint the walls a lighter color to make the space feel bigger. Our manager said,
Yes, we might do that during the holiday break.